Hi, my name is Alice, and today I'd like to share my water journey with you. Well, Kangen Water to be exact. You see, not all water is created equal. Tap and bottled water is full of contaminants and added chemicals, which are really harmful to our bodies, which is why I always choose Kangen. Welcome to Enagic's flagship model, the K8. This machine produces 7 types of water. This water hydrates the body on a deep cellular level and also tastes and feels amazing. The water is rich in active molecular hydrogen and powerful antioxidant properties. Not only does this device filter your tap water, but it also produces ionized alkaline and acidic waters through electrolysis. Let's start with Kangen drinking water. So I often get asked, how do you start your day, Alice? So this is basically how it all goes down. I wake up with a nice big stretch. And then, there's always a sexy man that hands me a glass of Kangen 9.5. Yep, that's right, I did say that. A sexy man hands me a glass of water. After my glass of water, I usually make myself a smoothie using the Kangen 9.5. My health is super important to me, so naturally, I only use the best. Having a machine like this in your home means no more bottled water. I don't want to contribute to this anymore. I'd much rather choose this. Now let's take a look at the strong alkaline water. I like to soak all my fruits and vegetables in this water because it acts as an emulsifier. It's highly effective in removing all oil-based pesticides off my fruits and vegetables. Now let's take a look at the beauty water. This slightly acidic water is astringent and oxidative, which makes it beneficial for the overall health and beauty of your skin. I love using it as a toner. It makes my skin feel smooth and super hydrated. This water also has the closest pH to rainwater, which means it's highly beneficial for household plants, gardens and crops. Kangen clean water. This is basically neutral water, which is perfect for cooking. And last but not least, Kangen strong acidic. The 2.5 strong acidic has a low pH and acts as a disinfectant that is safe to use for our bodies, skin and home. I personally like using it for replacing household cleaners and for reducing any bacteria on fruits and vegetables. So there you have it, just some of the ways you can use Kangen water in your home and live a more sustainable lifestyle. But when I told you that this water would change your life, I didn't mean just by drinking it. See, when you purchase a Kangen water machine, you automatically get lifetime international distribution rights, which means you can earn commissions from all over the world just by sharing this water. So naturally, you can imagine what I did next. Yep, I became a distributor, and bam, my life changed. Actually, it was literally BAM that changed my life. You see, BAM stands for Breakaway Movement. When I joined Breakaway Movement, they taught me everything about running my business online, from social media training to learning the mindset of a successful entrepreneur. But Breakaway Movement is more than just a training platform. It's a way of life. When you surround yourself with the right people, you start to see change, and that's exactly what happened. This community of dreamers, doers, believers, and thinkers literally gave me the key to a magic door that led to everything I ever desired. Freedom, true health, wealth, friendships, and abundance in all areas of my life. To have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world is something that most people only dream of, and an opportunity that one must not pass. Through this business, I've been able to change people's lives, and there's nothing that feels more satisfying. As a mentor, I have built an amazing team and also made so many lifelong friends. Today, I feel blessed to be able to live where I do and enjoy this life I've created. My business as a distributor and mentor will only keep growing, and my life will only keep getting better. If you were ever looking for a sign, this is it. Change your water, change your life.